Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I really want to focus on commercial real estate retail agents. I'm going to give you a program today that's going to increase your business over the next several months. We do it, it's called the Block program. It's very easy to implement, but it's also very important. You know, you as a real estate agent have got to understand that those people sitting in stores all day, every day, they are a gold mine of knowledge in your marketplace. So the developers, the property owners, they're great, but getting into these retail stores and getting to know them, that's where you're going to really build your community. I'm going to show you how to do that. I want you to go on CoStar and I want you to pick the best 3 blocks in your marketplace that you think you can really take a hold of. I don't want you to do anything more than 3 blocks. Don't do 6 blocks, don't do 9 blocks, just 3 blocks that you can hyper focus. Because I want you to get to be known in that marketplace over the next several weeks. So now what you're going to do is pick those 3 blocks. Here's a street, this is a street, this is a street. And you're going to start going into each one of the stores. These are terrible. So we got Joe's Fish Shop here, Joe's Fish Shop. I want you to walk into the store. I want you to, no hard sales here. I do not want you to sell anything. I want you to get to know the manager or the owner of the store. That's it. Have a conversation with them. Get to know them. Ask them questions, then listen. Get to know the manager. Very important. I don't want you to hard sell them. I want you to just get to know them. If you're trying to hard sell them, they're going to quit listening to you. And your goal with this is to build a relationship. So no hard sales. Talk to them. Get as much information about them as you can. And then I want you to do a leave behind, which is very important. I want you to create something that is important about the area, a little bit about you. So it could be something about a new store's coming in, or there's a fair this weekend, something that is very important. And again, it needs to have all your contact information as well. I want you to leave that behind. Then I want you to leave the store, stop right outside the door of the store, and write down all the notes from that conversation. You want to write all that down, write down notes, because when you come back the next few weeks, say like the next 4 weeks, you want to come back in and you want to be able to talk to this manager, call them by name, make sure you know their name. Any information you got from them, it was about their dog, their cat, their grandmother, their children, you want to recall that when you come back into the store. Now, you want to do this at all these stores. Both sides of the street. So you're going to go up this side and go down this side. Now after about 90 days, you're going to have been out there a few times. When you walk into the store, these people are going to get to know you. You're going to walk in, they're going to say, hey, Chris, how are you? Good to see you again. And if you're going out there, you can just say, listen, I was in the area doing some showings. I mean, if you're really looking for an excuse to be out there, and make sure you get involved with them. Take photos of where you're out in that marketplace. Offer to take a photo with them and promote it on your social media. Very important that you're promoting this area, because these people, every one of these store owners knows everything going on in this marketplace. And eventually, Joe's Fish Shack manager is going to say, hey, did you hear that the guy over at Chris's feed shop is going out of business? And you can call the landlord that owns this store, that owns this property, and say, hey, I understand that you've got a vacancy coming up. Can I get that listed for you? Or, you know, any information that you can get from them, it's going to start happening, because what are you doing? You've built the trust. You're out there regularly being seen, and that trust is where these relationships start. You know, and that's the root of all real estate, is relationships. So after you've done this for about 3 times, these people are going to get to know you. Then I want you to take on the next 3 blocks. Continue going and do the same thing. So you keep getting to know these people. It's going to take a lot longer, of course, and then sooner or later, you're going to have all these blocks and everybody's going to know who you are. You're going to own the area. And everybody in that community is going to be like, hey, I think I need to do something with my lease or my sublease. Who do I call? Oh, the guy that always comes in here. I got to call Joe, because he's going to know this market, because he's in here every week or every month. You know, the block program should just be part of what you're doing. You should still be cold calling this area. You should still be talking to the landlords, because all this information that you're getting here is so valuable that you want to make sure you're capturing every dollar possible. So get involved in the community. Go to the street fairs. Go to any of the art galleries, whatever it is. Make sure you're out in that community, being seen, Walk your dog in that community. Make sure that your presence is there and everybody knows who you are and they know how to get hold of you. We all have to remember that real estate is a relationship business. It's very important that you build these relationships and you continue to stay in touch with people. Make sure you've got a good CRM that reminds you of birthdays and any kind of special events in somebody's life so you can reach out to them and stay in touch. It's just very important. Build these relationships, build trust. So this is just something that we do that works very, very well for our agents. It's really helped some of our agents really take over a marketplace. But if you have anything that you think would be a good addition to this, please let us know in the comments. And if you could, give us a like on this video. And if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you again next week